My name is Jay Spurl. I'm from St. Paul. I was going somewhere else that wasn't offering much hands-on experience, and so I was looking for a different opportunity, and that's where I found NDSCS, and this is literally perfect.
I think the best thing is having all the sponsors. They have definitely been a big help, donating tools and some of the aircraft we have here, along with having very experienced instructors.
Everything in the handbook, from what they teach down at like the Delta or Airbus, is what we're learning. All these engines, all these airframes will be applicable in our field, which is what I really like. Actually learning what you're going to be using in the workforce.
Outside of college, I serve in the Army National Guard, and some of the aircraft that we work on, they're FAA regulated, so it only made sense to come here to this college to obtain my A&P license, to deepen my knowledge of FAA standards on the military and civilian side.
If you like airplanes and you like being hands-on, you like fixing things, it's perfect. I don't really think there's a better place to learn this type of stuff than here.
If you like doing hands-on work, that's really what this program is all about. That's why I like it. To someone who's looking at this, is like, there's always going to be opportunities. Like, already got job offers. It's hard to not get a job in this field.